Good morning, guys. Remember to pause each screen and have a go at the questions at the end. Okay, so we'll go on to our phonics.
Hello children, Ellie Simmons here, 5-time Paralympic gold medalist swimmer. When I'm not busy practicing swimming, I love to read. My favourite book is The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. Now, are you guys ready to learn with your letters and sounds class today? Have fun!
Hello children, my name's Josh. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says Now it's your turn. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read them aloud with me. Or O. Ow or O. I or I. I or E. I. I. Or you. You or oo. You or oo. You or oo. Oo or O or O. O. Fantastic! I'm going to mix the cards up. Let's read the graphemes on the cards again. I want you to read them aloud. Off you go. Well done. Let's check you got them right. Read them aloud with me. O or O. I. Ow or O. Oo or or U. Oo or U. I or E. Or U or oo. I. O. U or oo. I or I. O. Well done! Super sounds! Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Here's the first word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, it is the digraph O. Read each sound as I point and then blend to read the word. G, R, O. Grow. If you grow, you get bigger or taller. Here's another word. Can you spot the digraph? That's right. It is the digraph O. Sound out and blend. Sh, O. Show. Let's show each other a massive smile. Here's another word. Sound out and blend. W, I, L, D. Wild. If something is not tamed, it is wild. Like a fox or a lion. They are wild animals. Here's the next word. Can you spot the digraph? That's right. The digraph is ch. Sound out and blend as I point. Ch, I, L, D. Child. Here's the final word. Can you spot the digraph? That's right. The digraph says O. Now sound out and blend. T, O. Toe. Can you wiggle your toes? I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. grow. Wild. Child. Toe. Show. Incredible! We are on fire today, children. Today, we are going to read a grapheme that we have met before. Ow. Copy me. Ow. 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 Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme ow. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. K, l, ow, d. K, l, ow, d. K, l, ow, d. Cloud. Clouds are up in the sky. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. P, r, ow, d. P, r, ow, d. P, r, ow, d. Proud. You feel proud when you feel pleased with something you have done really, really well. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me, say the sounds, and then blend the sounds to say the word. F, ow, n, d. F, ow, n, d. F, ow, n, d. Found. We found the keys. They had fallen onto the ground. We have seen before that the sound ow is written like this. And we have also learnt that the sound ow is written like this. Today, we are going to read some words with this grapheme. Let's read the grapheme for the sound ow. Can you say the sound ow each time I show you this digraph? That was excellent. Now let's read some words with the grapheme ow. Here's the first word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. K, l, ow, d. Cloud. Did you get it right? Here's another word. Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. S, ow, n, d. Sound. You hear sounds with your ears. Here's the next word. Sound talk each grapheme and blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. A, b, ow, t. About. Did you get it right? Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Out. Out. Did you get this one right? What about this word? Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Out. Proud. Did you get it right? Here's the final word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Found. Well done. Can you read these words now without any help? Are you ready? Off you go. Shall we check? Read them with me. Cloud. Sound. About. Out. Proud. Found. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. About. Out. Cloud. Proud. Found. Sound. Fantastic! You are doing so well today, children. Now, let's practice reading some tricky words that you have met before. Can you remember the two tricky bits in this word? Well, yes, the first bit is tricky. It says I. And then the end bit is tricky too. It says z. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Eyes. Eyes. Let's read another tricky word. Here it is. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, that's right. It's in the middle. Here, it says Can Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Work. Brilliant reading. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Here's my first sentence. Can you see any words with today's grapheme ow? That's right. This word has the grapheme ow. Can you see any other words with digraphs? That's right. This word and this word have the digraph v. This word has the digraph a. And this word and this word have the digraphs t and a. T and a. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And remember, sound out any words you are unsure of. Are you ready? Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. The soft rain pitter patters on the ground. Let's read it together one more time. Are you ready? The soft rain pitter patters on the ground. Fantastic reading. A rainy day can sometimes be a bit annoying. Here's my second sentence. Can you see a word with today's grapheme ow? That's right. This word has today's grapheme ow. Can you see any other words with digraphs? That's right. This word has the digraph U. This word has the digraph oo. And this word has two digraphs. It has a and a. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Of course, use your sounds to help you if you get a little bit stuck. Are you ready? Fantastic reading. Now let's read together. Off we go. I am proud of my new blue trainers. Let's read the sentence one more time. I am proud of my new blue trainers. It is so lovely to get new trainers. Fantastic, children. Now, let's finish by spelling some words. Because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with today's grapheme, ow. Let's spell proud. Segment the sounds with me. Proud. P, r, ow, d. Let's count how many sounds there are. Proud. P, r, ow, d. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write proud. I need 4 sounds. My first sound is P. And the second sound is R. Then we have today's new grapheme. Ow. And at the end, we have D. Proud. P, r, ow, d. 4 sounds. Now, I'd like you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget, there are 4 sounds. And don't forget the digraph, ow. Let's check our spelling. Do our words look the same? Did you remember the 4 sounds? Proud. P, r, ow, d. Now let's spell found. Segment the sounds with me. Found. F, ow, n, d. Let's count how many sounds there are. Found. F, ow, n, d. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write found. Remember, I need 4 sounds. Ow. N. And my last sound is D. Found. F, ow, n, d. It has 4 sounds. Now, I'd like you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget, there are 4 sounds. And don't forget the digraph, ow. Okay? Time to check our spelling. Did you get it right? Do our words look the same? Change it quickly if they don't. Found. F-ow-n-d. It has 4 sounds. Let's learn to spell a tricky word. Now, let's spell a tricky word that we read today. Eyes. Segment the sounds with me. Eyes. I-z. Let's count how many sounds there are. Eyes. I-z. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write eyes. Can you remember the 2 tricky bits? The first tricky bit is I. It is written with the letters E, Y and E. And the last bit is tricky too. The letter S says Z. So the word says eyes. I-z. 2 sounds. Now, I would like you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What are the tricky bits? Remember, the letters E, Y and E say I, and the letter S says S. Write the 2 sounds down. Okay? Brilliant. Let's check our spelling. Does your spelling look the same as mine? Did you remember the 2 sounds? Eyes. I-z. 2 sounds. Okay, now let's practice spelling another tricky word that we read today. Work. Segment the sounds with me. Work. K. Let's count how many sounds there are. Work. K. That means there are 3 sounds. Watch me write work. Can you remember the tricky bit? The first sound says ooh. And then the next bit is tricky. The sound is made with the letters O and R. And then the third sound says K. Work. K. 3 sounds. Now it's time for you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The sound is written with the letters O and R. Write it all down. Remember, 3 sounds in this word. Okay? Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Did you remember the tricky bit? Work. Three sounds. Well done, everyone. You have worked so hard today. I'm very, very proud of you. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.
Hi children, I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You have worked really hard and we are so proud of you. Why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?
Okay, as usual, we've got our maths, so we've got a video and then some questions to have a go at.
Today we're going to talk about partitioning numbers. But what is partitioning? Do you remember? There's a little clue in the word partitioning. Yes, we can use a part-whole model. Remember, when we have a number that's the whole, we can actually partition it into one part, two parts, and sometimes even more. Remember, we can partition large numbers into tens and ones. Well, why don't we take a look? Here we can see a picture of a part-whole model, and it says we can partition into tens and ones. Well, I see one of the parts has 3 bundles of straws. Do you remember how many straws are in each bundle? Yes, there are 10. So we have 3 tens, and then in the other part we have single straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 3 groups of 10 and 6 ones. But somebody spilled something on my slide, so I can't see what the number is of the whole. Can you help me? 3 groups of 10 and 6 ones. So the whole would be 36. Thank you. And here we can try another example. Only this time, I know the whole, and I can see how many tens, but I can't see how many ones. The whole is 85, and I can see 8 tens in one of the parts. So 85 can be partitioned into 8 tens and, yes, 5 ones. Well done. Why don't you pause here and have a go? See if you can figure out what's under that messy paint. Did you think if I have 58 as the whole and I have 8 ones, you must be missing the groups of 10. How many groups of 10 did you think? I agree. 5 groups of 10 and 8 ones makes 58. Let's take a look at this picture of straws and see if we can fill in the sentence below. I see 4 groups of 10 and 3 ones. So I know that the number 43 has 4 tens and 3 ones. Let's take a look at another example. How many tens? How many ones? What number is this? Well, I can see that it's the number 96, because 96 has 9 tens and 6 ones. And now it's your turn. Here are 2 more examples, so pause here, complete the sentences, and then I'll reveal the answers. Great work! The first one says 64 has 6 tens and 4 ones. And the one at the bottom we would complete by saying 87 has 8 tens and 7 ones. Well done! We've been partitioning numbers into tens and ones. But did you know that we can also put them in a chart like this and label them tens and ones? It's called a place value chart. Can you see how many tens there are? And how many ones are there? Once you've figured this out, you can fill in the sentence below. If you noticed that there were 7 tens and 2 ones, you know that it's the number 72, and that 72 has 7 tens and 2 ones. How about this one? Could you fill in the blanks for this one? Oh, I see 2 tens and 7 ones. That's kind of like the opposite of 72. 2 tens and 7 ones. Well, that's 27. 27 has 2 tens and 7 ones. Well done! I bet you're ready to have a go at some of these on your own. So why don't you pause here and complete the sentences, and then come back and I'll show you what's inside those boxes. Are you ready? The first one says 91 has 9 tens and 1 one. What number has 8 tens and 3 ones? Well, it's 83, of course. The next one says 49 has 4 tens and 9 ones. And the last one, what number has 5 tens and 6 ones? 56. You are getting so good at this. Actually, we're at the end of our lesson again. So why don't you pause here and have a go at some of the questions on your White Rose Maths worksheet. And remember, if you don't have a White Rose Maths worksheet, you can find loads of material available on the BBC Bite Size website. Have fun!
And have a go at the maths questions for me. Have a go at the writing task and don't forget to pause your screen. Okay, that's the end of today, so I'll see you tomorrow for one last day of learning.